Hello friends, this video, we will show you how to download, install and run Parking Management System project in your local computer. In this video, we have shared new PHP project on Parking Management System. And under this project, we can manage or store day-to-day vehicle parking transaction data. Under this system, and here, we have digitize vehicle parking system. And with help of this system, we can easily track which vehicle was parked under parking at particular date and time, and we can get vehicle park data in single click. Now we have show you where to download this PHP Parking Management System project. So here, this is our website where we have already published blog on Parking Management System. And under this blog, at the end of web page, we can see source code download link. So here, we have click on this link, and after click on this link, it has redirect us to this web page, where we can see that source code download web page has been loaded. And under this page, here we can see source code download link. And below this link, we can see demo link of this parking management system. So if you want to check online demo of this system, so by click on this link, you can check online demo of this system also. Now for download source code, so here, we have click on this link. So after click on this link, here we can see that source code has been downloaded in our computer. Now here, we can see that source code downloaded file, and now we have put this file under this directory, from where we can run PHP file, so here, we have put this source code file. Now here in the browser, we have run index file of Parking Management System. So here, we can see, one MySQL error has been occur, and it has display, no database has been selected. So first we have goes to PHP my admin, and here we have create, one blank database, with name like parking. After this, we have open, source code file, under text editor. And here in text editor, we have to open, config.php file, and under this file, we have to define, MySQL database configuration like, host name is equal to, localhost. Database name set to parking, username set to root, and password set to blank, and after this, save this file. Now again, we have goes to browser, and refresh web page. So when you have first time run source code, then it will take some times. Because it has create, sample table under database, and in those table, it will insert some sample data, so you can easily check this system. So after creating necessary table, and inserting sample data, now it has display login page, on web page, so this way, we can install system, under our local computer. Now below this login page, we can see one login details, so we have enter, this login details. Now we have click, on this login button, so after click, on this login button. Here we have login into system, and it has display analytics, data on the web page. And from this data, we can know, total parking revenue, and total number of parked vehicle. Here we can easily filter this data, with this different filter, so here, we can also check past data also. So this is analytics page of this parking system. Now we have show you, different module of this parking management system. So first we have show you, setting module of this parking system, so we have click on this setting link. So here, we can see that, setting page has been loaded, in which we can define parking name details, contact person, contact number details. Here we can also set the time zone, currency and date and time format also. After this, we have show you, profile module, so we have click, on this profile link. So here we can see that, edit profile page has been loaded, on web page. And here, login user can edit profile details like, email address details, and password details. After this, we have show you different module of this parking system. So first we have show you category module. So we have click on the vehicle category link. So after click on this link, here we can see that category management web page has been loaded, in which we can manage parking vehicle category data. Here, admin user can add new vehicle category by click on this add button. And same way, admin user can edit or delete vehicle category data by click on this edit and delete button. After this, we have show you parking duration management module. So here, we have click on this link. So here, we can see that parking duration management web page has been loaded. And here, we can add new parking duration data by click on this add button. And same way, admin can edit or delete parking duration data by click on this edit and delete button. After this, we have show you parking prices management module. So we have click on this link. So here, we can see that parking prices management web page has been loaded. And here, admin can add new parking prices data by click on this add button. So here, add parking prices page has been loaded. Here, admin can define vehicle category and duration hour details. And lastly, admin can define parking rate, and by click on add button, new parking prices will be added under this system. Same way, admin can edit or delete existing prices data by this edit or delete button. Next we have show you parking slot management module. So we have click on this link. So here, we can see that parking slot management web page has been loaded. And here admin can add new parking slot under this system by click on this add button. And here, admin can define vehicle category and can define slot name, and by click on this button, new slot will be added under this system. And under this system, we can also view status of slot also. So suppose, if slot has been reserved for park vehicle, then this slot status value will be changed to not available. That means particular slot is not available. And if that reserved slot has been free, then again that slot status will be changed to available. So we can easily check which slot is available and which is not available, and if all slot is not available, that means parking is full. After this, under this system, admin can edit or delete existing parking slot data also. Now we have show you customer module, in which we will store vehicle parking and customer data. So here, we have click on this link. So here, we can see that parking customer management web page has been loaded, and here admin and sub-user can manage this web page data. Now for enter new vehicle details. So here, we have click on this add button. So after click on this link. Here, we can see that add parking customer web page has been loaded. And here admin or user can define data like customer name details, customer contact number details, vehicle category details, vehicle number details, parking slot number details, vehicle in date time details. Vehicle parking duration details, and if we have select parking duration, then it will automatically fill parking charges details. And by click on this add button, admin or sub-user can add new vehicle details under this system. New vehicle parking data has been added under this system, which we can see here. Now we have goes to parking slot page, and here we have search recently added slot number. So here we can see that this slot status has been changed to not available. Now again we have goes to customer management web page and to view single customer details. So we have click on this view button, and after click on view button, here we can see that single customer parking details, and here we have use of canvas feature of Bootstrap 5 library. And in single click, we can view any customer data on same page without going to another web page. Now we want to define vehicle out time, so again we have click on view button. And here we can see that customer parking details, and here can define vehicle out time. So here, we have defined vehicle out time, and after this, we have click on update button. So after click on update button, here we can see that vehicle status has been changed to out. And again we have goes to parking slot page, and here we again search recently out vehicle slot number. And here, we can see that parking slot status has been changed to available from not available. So this way, we can see that which parking slot is available for parking. Now we have show you report module of this parking system, so we have click on this link. So here, we can view last 30 days, vehicle park data, and here we can filter this data. By using this different date filter, so suppose, we want to get this month data. So here, we have select this month filter, and after selecting this filter, here we can see this month data. And here, we can also export this data into CSV file also, so for export data, here we have click on this export button. So after click on export button, here we can see that parking data has been exported in CSV file. Now here we can see that exported parking data in CSV file, so here in this system, you can also export data into CSV file also. And lastly, we have show you users management module, so we have click on this link. And here we can see that user management web page has been loaded. And here, admin can create new user, and admin can also edit or delete existing user data also. So this parking system is a multi-user system, in which admin or sub-user can use this system. So here, we have show you complete demo of the system, step by step. We hope you found this video informative, and enjoyed this PHP parking management system. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for the complete source code and additional resources to further enhance your PHP development skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting programming tutorials. And thanks for watching, and happy coding.